Wan 2.2 Animate is one of the most powerful AI video models right now, but most people never get to use it because setup is a truly nightmare. So today, I'll show you how to unlock Wan 2.2 Animate directly with imini AI. No ComfyUI and hardware required. Let's jump right in. So first you need to open the imini AI dashboard. Go to AI Video on the left and click Video Character Replacement. Here you'll see two options, Wan 2.2 Mix and Wan 2.2 Move. Simply speaking, Mix model just swaps the character in your video, while Move goes further, replacing the character and bringing over the background from your reference image. For this demo, we'll use the Move model. Just upload your reference image here, and the source video where you want the replacement here. I recommend the video resolution should be 1080p or lower based on my test. Also, make sure your input character is clear in both image and video. That makes a huge difference in output quality. For this test, I'm using a highly detailed model generated by Nano Banana. She has plate armor and other elements, so it's a good way to see how Wan handles fine details and realism. Next, choose your output setting here. Standard is much faster and good for quick results, while professional focus on higher quality but takes longer. Let's go with standard for now. Just hit create and wait a few minutes. The results is amazing. The plate armor is perfectly preserved, and the character's hair moves naturally as she walks. The only small issue was with the bag in the character's hands, not recognized correctly. Probably because of the outfit's complexity. So try to keep outfits simple for the best results. What do you think? Besides Wan 2.2, you'll also get access to other cutting-edge models like Nano Banana, Seedream, Wan 2.5, Kling, and VO3. Try them now at imini.com.